How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, so you grab your AirPods, open up the lid, and you see this. One of your AirPods battery is dead. It just didn't charge. One of them is charged, the other one just isn't. This is such an annoying issue. It's so common, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix this once and for all. Keep in mind, this video is universal, so it'll work with any and all AirPods model. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so there are actually a few things that may cause this issue. This is actually a screenshot I took a few days ago on this exact iPhone pairing with these exact AirPods. And the most common reason why this happens has to do with the case itself. And it's generally when you are in this situation, when your case has less than 10% of battery. As you can see right now, I don't have the issue, so both my AirPods are charged at the same rate, both at 92%, great. But generally, when we have this issue of just one AirPod charging and the other one not charging, is because your case has less than 10%. And that's simply because when your case is super low on battery, it can't charge both AirPods. It generally just charges one. And we don't actually know if this was implemented on purpose by Apple, so at least you have one AirPod with battery, or if it's just a bug. So no matter what, when your AirPods case is actually super low on battery, as you can see, it happens so often. The issue really happens. So my recommendation is very simple. Charge your AirPods and try to always keep them above 10%, so that this issue probably won't happen again or will diminish by a lot. So just keep your AirPods case charged. But as I said, there are a few things that may cause this issue, not just this first one that I talked about. So of course we have scenario number 2, where your AirPods case are not low on battery. So the battery is full, you have full battery or like a lot of battery, and you still have the issue. So just one of the AirPods is charging. So if that happens, if your case has enough battery, then you can simply remove the AirPod that's not charging and then replace it right here on the spot. And it's very important to also see and check the light. As you can see, when I remove the AirPod, you will see the light glowing, and then when I place it back, it will blink, letting us know that it realized that the AirPod is back and it is charging. So this indication is very important. Now, moving on, maybe your AirPods case is charged. You have just done that, have lifted up the AirPods, put them back in, both of them, and still nothing. You're still getting the charging issue. One of the AirPods is not charging. If that's your case, of course, we have to talk about cleaning. So we have to clean our AirPods. And for that, we're just gonna need two very simple tools. A microfiber cloth, so you can use one typical like a Ray-Ban or your sunglasses cleaning cloth that come with them, whatever. So it has to be a microfiber cloth, as you can see. And we're also gonna use a tool like this, an interdental toothbrush. I know this is a little bit weird, and of course, this was not intended to clean AirPods, but you can definitely use them. So this is actually designed to clean like between your teeth, like floss. So it kind of replaces floss, and this is perfect for cleaning your AirPods, and you're gonna understand why in a second, okay? So first, let's clean the AirPods themselves, because sometimes the problem is right here at the bottom, because naturally there are connecting points at the bottom of the AirPods and right here inside the AirPods case. And we need to make sure they're clean, otherwise this may interfere with charging, okay? So go ahead and get a microfiber cloth. It can be dry, okay, no problem. And then just give it a good clean right here, okay? Just that. Very easily, just clean them and it should be enough. If it's like white and pristine, as you can see on mine, you're good to go. But of course, sometimes the AirPods are cleaned but the AirPods case right there inside is not. You can probably see right here, right there, right inside, two pin-like connecting metal points, right? We have two here and two here. So sometimes they're dirty, obstructed, so charging just doesn't happen, right? So what you're gonna do is get our super fancy tool. It's not fancy, you can find it in any drugstore, okay? So get a interdental tooth, that's it, I believe. And then we're just gonna go ahead and poke inside very gently and then clean them, okay? Just clean them. And why I recommend using this tool? Simply because it's very thin, as you can see, and pointy, so it's perfect to get down there, and also it's very soft because again, this is the whole point of this is to replace floss, so it goes between your teeth. It's a very sensitive area, as you know, so that's why it has to be very soft, and it's perfect for this, and it doesn't leave any kind of residue either, so it's perfect. So like nothing comes off of it, so it's perfect. So then clean it, and then you're good to go really. Once they're cleaned, again, put them back in, make sure that the charging case is full of battery, is charged, and then make sure you see the indication, lift the AirPods, put them back in, and then you should be fine. That's pretty much everything we can do on this very first part of the video. Because of course, if none of that works, then we probably have a software issue. And of course, we can fix that by resetting the AirPods. And don't worry, because that's super simple. It just takes a few seconds. What you're gonna do is locate the button, which generally sits behind your AirPods. Some of them may differ, and the button placement may be a little bit different, okay? But just look at this hidden button. Every AirPod has one of them. Open the lid, and then press and hold the button for like 20 seconds. You're gonna go with me. So press and hold now. And then as you can see, the light turns white. That's pairing mode. Keep holding, keep holding. You're gonna keep holding for quite a few more seconds until this flashing light goes amber. And that's when we definitely see that we are reset. There we go. We have fully reset our AirPods. So then we can let go, as you saw, and then our AirPods are as if they are brand new. So if I open the lid once again, as you can see, my iPhone is gonna recognize those AirPods as brand new. So of course, just connect and then do the thing and then continue with the quick setup we have right here, and then we're good to go. So we have successfully reset our AirPods to factory settings. This is very important and mandatory actually to fix issues like that. Now, if you have done all that, charged, cleaned, reset, made sure that both AirPods are aligned and perfect, and you have lifted them and put them back in place, you have done everything that I talked about in this video, and you still have charging issues, then you probably have a hardware issue. There's probably something broken inside. So my recommendation is talk to Apple. Take your AirPods to an Apple store and they'll go ahead, check it out, and fix your AirPods for you. Maybe they'll charge you something. All right, so that's pretty much it. And I'll see you on the next videos, guys. Bye-bye.